What's up, everybody? So, heading to Goodwill right now. It's gonna be really quick. Stop at Goodwill because I have some other stuff I have to do. So I'm only gonna be able to go to Goodwill for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll probably have to leave. So yeah, I'll probably look at their media and then their toys, and then I'll probably head out. Maybe a quick scan at like their electronic stuff to make sure they don't have any nice cameras or anything like that. But most of my time's probably going to be spent in their media section, since that's what I sold recently. I just sold a DVD set for $39 from this Goodwill, so I'm going to check out if they have anything else that might be worth some money. I'm going to check out their sealed items, sealed media, because that's what this one was, and see if they skipped over anything, because this Goodwill does scan all their books and DVDs and CDs and all that stuff. So I'm just going to see if they skipped over anything, and that's probably going to be it. But I'll let you know here in just a second if I got anything. Hey, so I just got out of Goodwill. I bought 3 items, spent less than $8 on all of them after tax. First one is a pink Texas Instruments calculator. It's one of just the normal ones. I normally get like $3, maybe $5 for like the blue ones, but I'm thinking the pink ones, I might get some more money out of them, so maybe like $6 or $7. I'd have to check. I didn't look it up, because if I see one of those for 99¢, I'm picking it up every time. And then they had some Blu-rays for $3 a piece, so I decided to scan them all while I was in the media section. And I ended up finding this one. It's a Moneyball Blu-ray, and it's also a DVD combo, and it looked like it was going for like $8, and I looked inside. Looks like everything's included. Both discs are included, so $3 and $8, so $5 profit there. And then I was pretty shocked when I saw this one. When I scanned this one, it's When We Left Earth, the NASA missions by the Discovery Channel. It's a 4-disc set, and all discs are in there. $3. And when I scanned it, it was going for $20 after fees. So pretty easy, like a $30 profit there, and I was there for like 20 minutes or so. So pretty good money. I just got to get out here. I got to get back home. I think I'm going to play basketball tonight, and it starts in like an hour, so I got to get back home and get ready for that. So that's going to be it for today. Let me know if you went sourcing today and what you found in the comments below, and I'll see everybody next time.